Hello folks, so here are some pointers before we start. We will be using a Firestick for this video since it's the most used streaming device right now. Soplayer can be found inside Google Play Store, but since it's not available in Firesticks, in step 1 we will gonna install the app from scratch so everyone can follow, including new ones. Step 2, I will be guiding you on how to set it up, and lastly, I will show you, or at least show to you, where you can check what's inside the app, or what to expect inside this piece of application. So I suggest to watch the whole video first before you get started so you won't miss any of the important points of the video. Then you decide if you want to go through. Of course, you can always ask questions in the comment section, but for now, let's start, shall we? Go to Find, then Search, and type in Downloader. And download this exact app on the screen. Once done, don't open yet. Hold the home button on your remote for a sec, then choose Settings. Open My Fire TV. On some devices, it may show Device and Software. Then look for Developer options. If it's not available, like what's on the screen, go to About first, click on your device name, mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. Click on that 7 times or until it says that you are already a developer. Congratulations, you are now a developer. So press back on your remote and now choose Developer options. Click on Apps from Unknown Sources and make sure it is turned on. Now, on some devices, it may show Install Unknown Apps, so choose that instead, then look for the Downloader app on the list, and make sure it is turned on. Now, hold down the Home button again, choose Apps, and open Downloader. Choose Allow if it asks you. Go to the URL and type this in, 241.0.80. Make sure to save this number for later, but for now, hit go. Wait for it to load up. Next, press the 3-line button on your remote, then press it again to turn on full screen mode. Choose the first button to download. Then install. Choose Done, then make sure to delete to save up some storage space. To set up Soplayer, we need to open this page on your PC or phone. Remember the downloader code earlier? Go to your PC or phone and open a browser. Type that downloader code followed by .aftv.news. And it will open this same page. To check what's inside the app before even trying it, click on this. Then if you want to give it a try and you're looking to activate, click on this one. Once you have all the necessary information, go back to your Firestick, hold down the Home button again, go to Apps, and open the application. Type in all the necessary information to gain access. If you have questions, feel free to drop some comments below or chat with me at Patreon. And if you find this video somehow helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you have not yet. Or maybe you can send some super thanks. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.